In this video, we'll show you how to change the front bumper brackets on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. In order to change the front bumper brackets on your vehicle, you need to remove the front bumper. Disconnect the fog lights power connector. To do this, lift the tab and pull on the connector. Then, using a fork, remove the wiring harness retaining clip. Brush and spray the nut with penetrating oil to facilitate unscrewing, which may be very difficult. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 21mm socket, unscrew the first nut holding the bumper to the chassis. Perform the same operations on the other side. Using a car trim removal tool, pry off the front bumper pad. Run along all four sides to disengage all clips. Brush and spray the four nuts holding the bumper brackets to the chassis with penetrating oil. Using a ratchet, an extension, and a 21mm socket, unscrew the retaining nuts. Remove the three clips from the rubber cover using the fork.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
The front bumper is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the 5 bolts holding the bumper bracket. Then remove the bracket. Repeat this step on the other side. Remove the mount bolt washer located on each bracket. You will need to reinstall it later on the new bracket. You can order the front bumper brackets used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bracket. Put the mount bolt back in place. Put the washer in place. Put the bumper brackets back in place and screw them back on. Put the front bumper back in place. Start by screwing the 2 nuts back on finger tight to hold the assembly together. Put the rubber cover rivets back in. Tighten the nuts. Take the front bumper pad. Fit the fasteners. Reinstall the pad on the bumper. Then press it on it to put it back in place. Screw the other bumper mounting nut back on. Clip the wiring harness back on. Reconnect the fog lights power connector. Perform the same operations on the other side. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.